Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking Clean and Everything Between, where everything is made with so much love just for you. With that being said, make sure to like the video, and if you just came across the channel, do not hesitate to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be the first one to know of new videos. Today we will make a delicious and super easy apple crumble recipe. Let's check the ingredient list and get cooking. Apples, a mix of flour, brown sugar, salt, cinnamon, and nutmeg, melted butter, and oats. You can find the ingredient amounts listed on the description box. Start by peeling the apples. This is the second apple crumble recipe being posted here in the channel. The first one was shared last year, but this one is actually much easier. I will leave the link of the last year apple crumble video recipe in the description box in case you would like to compare the both. After peeling all your apples, it's time to core and slice them. Add the apple slices to an ungreased dish. Set the apples aside, and it's time for us to start the crumble. To a bowl, add the flour mix, the melted butter, the oats, and mix with a fork until well combined. Now, spread the crumb mixture evenly over the apples. Bake at 375 Fahrenheit for 30 to 45 minutes until fruit is tender and topping is golden brown. You can serve this easy and delicious apple crumble topped with your favorite ice cream or just plain with a drizzle of caramel. Enjoy! As always, I'm so grateful to have you in my kitchen. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Ciao!